Hello, lowly holders. How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. After a long time, I'm talking about the lowly and obviously, guys, very congratulations to all lowly holders, guys, because after a very long time, I'm talking about the lowly so very congratulations, because you can see here, guys, lowly is in the huge pump. Wow, congratulations, everybody. If you talk about the right now, the currently price of lovely currently price is about 0.0000518 USD dollar. That is the current price of lovely and guys, furthermore you can see here that the changes is also going positive, guys. Very good, 36.93% just in last 24 hours. Lovely price pump, guys. Wow, you can see you're going to the moon. Lovely holders, very congratulations, guys. But guys, now at this time, please, I recommend for all of you guys that don't do this mistake. Oh, absolutely, if you do this mistake, so you miss this opportunity, guys. You will miss this opportunity. Now at this time, you have to just hold, guys, because you can see here the 24 hours trading volume is also positive 47%. This means that, and the people investing more and more in a lowly so obviously the price will pump more, guys. So you have to hold, never decide to sell, guys. Absolutely, if you sell, so you lose your money. Invest, just hold, never decide to sell, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.